Hey guys, welcome to Cabello and welcome to a little update. This is 19 weeks on minoxidil, and I just wanted to make this short little update to show you something new. I had a beard line. I have my beard line up, I should say, and I got a haircut. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's kind of crazy. Finally looks like a beard, kind of, right? Kind of. I mean, it's definitely better than what I started with, obviously. But yeah, I'm digging it. Okay, so the only thing I didn't like that he did is that he shaved down here and down here to make it look like neater and everything. But I don't know. Next time I'm gonna tell him not to shave down here. I don't really like what it looks like. So yeah. By the way, can you let me know what should I do? Because I want to grow these again, not grow it again, but have these and also have hair down here. So should I shave everything here and then let it all grow together, or should I just kind of like let this grow and then trim here to kind of like balance it? I don't know. Let me know in the comments, please. I really don't know what to do. And I kind of digging this look, so I kind of don't want to shave it all. So yeah, just let me know in the comments. What do you think I should do to kind of like have these the same as these here, kind of like in the same level, if you know what I mean? Because right now it's like very empty. It looks very empty, even though there's tiny little hairs there. So yeah, just let me know in the comments, please. I'll appreciate it. Right here on my natural beard line. That's pretty crazy. It's been 2 months, well, 1 month and a half since I've been growing it here. And I think I'm gonna keep growing it. I don't know. I just want to see what it looks like. And yeah, so new additions to the minoxidil journey. I got this beard brush. It's actually just a boar bristle brush. It's not branded as a beard brush, so I got it for $5 at Walmart because it's not branded as a beard brush, but it's the same as a beard brush, basically, because it's boar bristle. And I also got jojoba oil and some peppermint oil, and I mixed it right here, 5% little mixture on this cool looking beard oil bottle. This bottle used to be from Gibbs. It's a beer brand, but obviously it had DHT blockers, so I made my own without any DHT blockers. And that's a 5% solution. So yeah, that's what's going on with me. No haircut, no beard line, digging it. Finally, I can say that I have something that kind of looks like a beard. And yeah, minoxidil, keep applying, keep it going, man. It works, it definitely works. Dermarol, be patient, and I hope you have a good day. See you next time. Bye-bye.